Good morning. My name is Olufemi, and this is the Microsoft Power Platform final challenge for creating a cat cafe solution. And the cat cafe solution will enable us to create a new publisher that will have a prefix as my initials of my name. And the first task that we'll be accomplishing is the cat management application. And to enter a new information, you click new and you fill all the details. Filling all the details, fill all the details, the breed, say young, the age, say three, intake date, this date, adoption date, this date, and I can say adopted. And I will come here and I'll click save and close. Immediately I click save and close, it populates here. Then I can come here, visualize that cart management application data to see at a glance what story the data is telling us from the cart management app. So it's telling me that your report is ready, and that means the visualization of the cart management app is actually ready. So having said that, the next thing we want to do is to look at what is called the adoption application, which is also the generative page. And what we're going to be able to do here is to fill out some details. Most importantly, the email address, we must be sure that the email address is correct, because that's we have to interact with the Power Automate and send an email to the guests, and we have to fill every of this information because every one of them, they are important. The date, then the time, then the cards, then we submit. So immediately we submit, we can see that it populates immediately. That is our adoption application. This also populates on our database to uh, to ensure that all the information we put out there is also populated on our database. So the next thing we want to do is to go to our Power Automate and refresh. So immediately we refresh, we should be able to see that the email was initiated and sent to the guest person. So we can see flow cat adoption thank you email. And if you look at this page, we'll see that 18 seconds ago, that was when that email was sent. And to be sure, we have to also refresh our email to see that we actually received that email address, that email on our email address. So you can see that that email was actually received. Thank you for adopting a cat from our cafe. And immediately we see that that has been achieved. The next thing we want to do is to now go to our daily cat inspection. So this helps us to see that on a daily basis, the the cat is being expected to know how they are faring per time. So it's normally yes, no sign of sickness, yes, and this is toggled on, and I click submit. And when I click submit button, you see that what daily inspection submitted successfully. This tells us that we are able to build an app to cater for the cat cafe solution to ensure that on a daily basis, various kind of cats are being inspected, are being checked in terms of their health, in terms of how they are faring. And this challenge has been able to assist in building three kind of app. we're able to build what is called the cart management application. Cart management application. We're able to build what is called the adoption application, which is the generative page. And we are able to also build what is called the daily cart inspection. And this also interacted with our Power Automate and we receive an email. And with this, we have come to the end of the Cat's Cafe solution that we're able to achieve using the Power Apps and the Microsoft